Hello, my name is Merve Selin Ümit and my department is Computer Engineering. Today I am here to present you with information about the Nobel Prize. I have learned the graphic data I will use in this presentation from DataCamp and conducted further research on the internet. So let's begin. What's Nobel Prize and how it started? It's a prestigious award given by the association founded by Alfred Nobel with his will announced in Stockholm, aiming to reward those who serve humanity. The first Nobel Prizes started to be awarded in 1901. The Nobel Prizes are awarded each year on December 10, the anniversary of Alfred Nobel's death. Awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Science, the Swedish Academy, the Karolinska Institute, and the Norwegian Nobel Committee to the individuals or organizations for outstanding achievements in the fields of physics, chemistry, literature, peace, and psychology or medicine. So here as you can see, there is a graph. Its topic is what's most awarded gender and birth country. I made this graph as my informations that I learned from DataCamp. So last update in January 2022 that as I can reach on the internet. So, however, historically, men have received the majority of Nobel Prizes compared to women, though this gap has been narrowing over time. In terms of birth countries, certain countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, the Germany, and France have had a significant number of Nobel laureates across various categories. However, it's important to note that Nobel Prizes are awarded based on individual achievements rather than gender or birth country. So the other topic is about which year has the highest rate of US born winners. You can see my graphs here and you can reach the graphs codes under my video, so I will add there. Let's talk about this graph. The United States has consistently produced numerous Nobel laureates across various fields. The specific year with the highest rate of US-born winners varies depending on advancements and breakthroughs in scientific research, literature, peace affairs, and economic theories. This information can be found in Nobel Prize databases and archives provided by the Nobel Foundation. Let's continue with the other topic, which is which decade and category pair had the highest proportion of female award winners. You can see with as colorful graphs. Without access to specific data on award winners across different decades and categories, it is difficult to determine the decade and category pair with the highest proportion of female award winners. The proportion of female winners can vary widely depending on the award industries and time periods involved. Detailed analysis of award winning trends will be necessary to identify the pair with the highest proportion of female winners. My graphs are ended in here. Just I'm going to add some information about this topic. Let's talk about this person who is the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize. Her name is Maria Skłodowska-Curie. Maria Skłodowska-Curie, a Polish-French physicist, and chemist, was the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize and the only woman to receive the Nobel Prizes. I want to talk about her death actually because it is too meaningful for the humanity, I think. She is dead because of the uranium level of in her body. At this time, people don't know that uranium just a bad thing for human body, and she used this for her experiments for humanity, for us and for other everyone else's. But this uranium that she used in her experiments was too harmful for her body, and she didn't recognize it. Actually, sometime that she thought about it, but didn't seriously believe about it. That because of the uranium, so because of the science actually. It's a sad thing, I think. I wish individuals or organizations have won more than one Nobel Prize over the years. There are too many instances for this. Just one of them, Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. The second one is Mercury, which we talked about. The third one is Frederick Sanger, and the fourth one is John Bardeen. Fifth one, Linus Carpolling, and sixth one, International Committee of the Red Cross. In which fields are Nobel Prizes awarded? Physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace are the areas that you can take and anyone else can take the Nobel Prizes areas. Well-known Nobel Prizes. All of us just heard about the Rutherfords, you know. Ernst Rutherford, as is known, she received the Nobel Prize for proving that radioactive atoms spontaneously transform into atoms of different qualities. And my second instance is Albert Einstein. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Since relativity was still considered controversial at that time, the award was given for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. How many Nobel Prizes has Turkey received? Our first Nobel Prize comes with Orhan Pamuk into our country with his book which named Kara Kitap. Kara Kitap, Orhan Pamuk's novel for which he received the Nobel Prize. The second Nobel Prize comes with Aziz Sancar into our country again. And this one area is biology, I guess, because it's about DNA. For their research mapping how cells repair damaged DNA and preserve genetic information, American Paul Modric, along with Swedish Thomas Lindahl, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2015. He did this research in America with this group, and they took the Nobel Prize. Then our second Nobel Prize comes into the Turkey. So thank you for listening.